How to fix Valorant not opening on your device. Go to the search bar and search for graphics settings, open graphics settings, and then choose Valorant. Tap on browse, search for Valorant and tap on add. Then set it to high performance by going to options, and you'll get 3 different options available: Windows Decide, Power Saving, and High Performance. Make sure that you have set it to high performance and you'll be done. Now again, go ahead and open Services. And in the Services window, click on any service and press V until you find the VGC option. And once you find VGC, right-click on VGC, select its properties, and set the startup type to automatic. Then tap on Apply and OK, and you'll be done. You can also try to adjust the compatibility of Valorant. For that, you need to go ahead and open its properties, disable full screen optimization, leave it and set to Windows 8, and always run the program as an administrator and click on Apply and then OK. This way, it might help you fix Valorant not opening on your device. If not, you can try uninstalling the application completely from your device and reinstall it again. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.